Amazing factory machines. It is a special treat to see the machines in the factories. In this video you will see some cool machines and things that you might not have seen before. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Epika Loaf Master. It is estimated that an average man consumes about 24 kilograms of bread a year, but the bread you can buy from the store is not cut by hand. The Epika Loaf Master is the most commonly used machine for cutting bread. You can also slice the bread and put it in a packet. About 50 packets of bread are cut and bagged per minute. Dilmit Chain Link Fence. Chain-linked fences are commonly seen in many places. Even though it doesn't look anything special when you look at it, the view of making such a chain-link fence is a must-see. It is a machine that can make 180-meter square chain fans per hour. A wire used to make fence will pass through a tube and link to the wire previously made. The wire is then cut with a cutter when it is fixed. Then fence is ready with the protruding helix wires repositioned with another machine. Sanovo Egg Peeler. When cracking a hard-boiled egg in general, have any of us thought about how large boiled eggs are cracked in hotels? Sanovo Peeling System is a remedy for that. First, the eggs were boiled in hot water for 18 minutes. The eggs are then placed in cold water to warm for 23 minutes. After that, the eggs are shaken and rolled in a special machine and the shell is removed. This machine can break up to 20,000 eggs per hour. Glass bottles. There is a difference between seeing something melt down and making an object, the most beautiful of which is making a glass bottle. A mixture is made by adding silica sand, soda ash and limestone to make a normal glass bottle. After melting in the furnace, it is poured into a special case and given the shape of the bottle. When you hold the bottle in your hand, the neck of the bottle is shaped so that the coldness of the drink does not go away. After bottle making, sterilization and polishing, the bottles are ready to be packed and shipped in bulk. Steel nails. All objects seen so far were made through a very complex process. But now let's see a video that makes an object a little easier. Here we can see the production process of steel nails. A long steel wire is fed into a special machine and cut straight into nails. Then, using a hydraulic hammer, the tip of each nail is driven off the tip. You can also make 25,800 nails per hour using a steel and manufacturing machine. Plywood production. Plywood is made by gluing together several wooden sheets. But have you ever wondered how to get wooden sheets? Once a tree is felled, it is cut into large sections and then cut into 3 mm thick wooden sheets, using a large 12-foot knife with a rod passed through the middle. It can be rolled and then added and used to make plywood. Crayons. Isn't it fun to see different colored crayons? Do you know how crayons is made? Here we can see a video of a crayon manufacturing factory making mister. To make crayons, first paraffin wax and color pigment is added to make a secret mister. After melting, this mixture is placed in a rotating mold. The top of the mold is left scribbled to make the edge of the crayons minuscule. These crayons are then removed from the mold using a hydraulic pressure system. Crayons are labeled with 2 layers for added security. Such crayon manufacturing factories can produce up to 8,500 crayons per minute. Which machine do you like the most? Comment and let us know. If you want more videos like this, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.